Hello, welcome to Water Sign Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin for Water Sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Take only what resonates sa mga gusto magpa-personal reading. Last call na lang, guys. Hindi na ako mag-accept ng personal reading. And, alam naman ng iba na I do have a lot of business and I will be focusing on that. At saka, dito sa YouTube, general reading na muna ako. Personal reading will be closed na hanggang ngayong week na lang. Hindi ko na-check kung anong date yun. Basta, dito sa video na to, if you want to book a personal reading from me, astrological reading, 3 tarot question, and palm reading, doon kayo mag-inquire, Madam P, hashtag Water Sign Philippines, yun ang isearch mo sa Facebook. So, let's start. Pa-comment nyo sa baba. This is love reading for Scorpio, Cancer, and Pisces. Okay. Main energy. King of Wands. Okay. You are deeply hurt right now. King of Wands. Nasaktan ka eh. About something. King of Wands, I feel like you are a kind of like an honest kind of person. Pero part of you is pwedeng niloloko mo eh, yung sarili mo. Tell me about this. What's with the Five of Cups? Six of Pentacles, especially it has something to do with people or a person na tumulong sa'yo noon. And maybe it has something to do with a child, or you do have a childhood memories with this person. Sino itong person na connect mo? Water sign. And this is a very spiritual person. Some of you, this is your side. Kasi itong side na to very spiritual. Knight of Pentacles, I feel like may mga offers itong taong ito sa iyo, or may naging offer siya sa iyo. But then, pwedeng hindi, the Hanged Man is here. Ito lang yung kukunin kong message. Like, maybe you keep this person hanging. So, sa offer na yun, pwedeng hindi mo in-accept or what. Or hindi mo siya pinansin. So, the Ten of Swords, there's kind of like an ending or something ended sa inyo na itong person na to, or itong person na to ang nagputol na nagtapos, or may yung nangyaring ending na yun. It hurt you a lot because yung iba, this is an offer of something very stable sana sa inyong dalawa, like relationship, marriage, Three of Wands, and something to do with growth sana sa inyong dalawa. But yung iba sa inyo pwede nasasaktan ka sa ending, and or alam mo sa sarili mo that you miss an opportunity dito sa person na to. What is the emotions between the two of you? Emotions sa inyong dalawa ng person na kakonect mo. For the sign of water sign. Yung iba, you really do feel the spiritual connection itong person na to. Knight of Swords, you're trying to get away. The more you walk away from this person, the more na masakit. And you're trying to get away from these emotions. Ayaw mo maramdaman yung ganyang emotion, pero you're feeling it. Tinatry mo lang i-ignore, tinatry mo lang wag pansinin, but you knew yourself from this experience na talagang masakit. And you are really affected dito sa ending na nangyayari, or big change na nangyayari sa inyo ng person na to with the Wheel of Fortune and the Tower. Masakit yung ending. Masakit na, like, tell me about this. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, ngayon mo na natutunan yung lessons sa buhay mo, and natututunan mo na sayang yung opportunity. Parang may panghihinayang. And like the devil is here. Some of you are being manipulated. or may nagmamanipula sa'yo, maybe a religion or your family, or it could be anyone or any who actually. Yung iba kung hindi yun person, could be yun nga, religion, kasi magkaiba kami ng relihiyon, etc. And, or yung iba yung paniniwala mo, etc. So, yun yung nakikita nating hindrance dito sa connection, or you from opening up your emotions sa taong ito. Basta yung limitations na yun, sobrang masakit para sa'yo. So, what is the emotion of this person towards you? The Six of Cups. This person is always thinking of you. There are times na daydreaming about you. The Two of Wands. Kasi hindi naman siya magpaplano or magkakaroon ng, offer sa'yo kung hindi ka talaga niya gusto. So, with the Star, gusto ka niya. And gusto niya ng partnership, relationship, something na stable sa inyo with the Four of Wands. Kaya nga siya mag-o-offer kasi gusto niya ng stability. Like, this person could be the one na I'm willing to take the risk if that's what you want to. If the problem is may kinalaman sa religion, etc., kultura, or pagkakaiba ninyo na lahi. So, ito yung person na to is like, kaya ko, parang ganun, kaya kong i-take ng risk ito, lahat, para sa'yo. Like, kaya ako mag-offer, or kaya ako nag-offer sa'yo kasi gusto ko talaga. No? And this person is not the kind of person na wishy-washy. Pag gusto niya yung isang bagay, talagang gagawa siya ng action. Slowly but surely, So, what will happen in the near future for the both of you? In the near future for the both of you. So, sorry about my voice. Medyo pagod na nga ako. You can actually feel it. Alam mo yan. Could be dealing with the Virgo, Scorpio. Yeah. And, dalawang major arcana. Tatlo pala with the Hermit at the bottom of the deck. I want to clarify the Fool. What's with the Fool? Knight of Wands. What's with the Three of Swords? Okay. Some of you, someone is going to tell you or manipulate you. Nakakita tayo ng manipulation from someone or something. I can see you na nasasaktan ka because with the Death card, pwedeng napipilitan kang i-end ang connection with this person, but you really can feel the connection deeply and sobrang sakit para sa'yo, especially you are a water sign. You are someone very emotional, and you could be dealing with a fire sign or an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. With the Knight of Wands, I can see you want to take the risk. Some of you taking the risk is like mahirap pero yung iba gagawain eh. Nasa sayo yan. Actually, the other of you, pwedeng you will be focusing on in your priorities. The more nagfo-focus ka sa priorities mo, ginagamit mo ito as a way para maka-move on dito sa person na to. Pero yun yung in your heart that it's hard, masakit, mahirap, and lalo na yung iba hindi ka makaka-move on, lalo na kung pinipilit ka lang mag-move on ng isang tao. Like if you are the person na being manipulated by someone, yan sabi niya mag-move on ka, etc. or what. Or may nagsasabi sa'yo na hindi mo pwedeng ganito, ganyan, hindi ka pwedeng makipag-connect or what. Kung may nagpipigil sa'yo, yan mo na mahirap para sa'yo mag-move on. Pinipilit ka lang pero alam mo sa sarili mong hindi mo kaya or hindi nangyayari itong pag-move on na to. And with the Death card, Scorpio energy, like a lot of transformation ang nangyayari sa'yo. Itong transformation na to, itong ending na to would lead into a spiritual learning from you. So, ibig sabihin, itong connection ninyo is magkakaroon lang ng tulong para magkaroon ng spiritual development. spiritual connection sa inyong dalawa ng person na ito. The person that you're dealing with is the 3 of Wands. This person still miss you. Pero with the 7 of Wands, either ikaw may blockage, siya may blockage. In the future, this person will earn a lot of money. You can see a lot of money, stability from this person. You could be dealing with someone na very stable. At itong person na to, he's still waiting. Pero alam niya, lumalayo ka eh. Alam niya sa sarili niya wala siyang papala, pero nandun yung naghihintay pa rin siya. So thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.